A guide you to change your YouTube channel name. So let's hop into the YouTube. From there, you need to tap on your profile, and after that, you need to tap on view your channel, and it will take you to the page where you could view your channel. From there, you need to tap on that profile picture, and from here it will take you to the page where you could customize all your channel details. If you scroll, you could find that name. From here, you need to, let's say that is productive today's. So if you need to change your channel name, you could type that. Let's say I'm tapping on vibing crazy now, and I can scroll down to find publish here. So let's say I tap on publish, and that will be published. You could see that vibing crazy has been added to. So this is how you could change your channel name on laptop. If you're doing it the mobile, you can follow the same process steps. Thank you.